So,
what are we doing here then?
Let's start again. Today we've got some bangers.
Is it going to be loud?
Yes.
Alright. Let's film it.
Alright.
Bloody hell. Yeah, that was bright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I was always forced to eat melons as a kid. I don't really like them. So I'll have a little bit of revenge with a banger. And that.
Oh!
Quality!
Oh. I got hit in the thumb while I was running towards it. Oh, hello. Thanks for watching that video. I'm just quickly going to mention another channel that I found this week. It's called Smarter Every Day. It's run by an American guy called Destin, who has his own Phantom. And so if you like slow-mo, be sure to subscribe to him. He's done some really cool stuff, like firing bullets to light matches, firing guns underwater and shooting eyeballs and stuff, all in slow-mo. Very cool stuff. You might have seen some of it already. But be sure to check out his channel here. And be sure to check back right here next week for a special 1-year anniversary edition of the Slow-Mo Guys.